What's up, VORO riders? It's been a minute and we are back with a vengeance. As you guys know, I've been in a scooter game for a minute, and this is the best scooter you can get right now. The Daytona has the best geometry I've seen in electric scooters. Perfect rake, angle, backbone dynamics. Comes with the brains of the iconic Roadster. Motorcycle grade DOT brakes. It comes with a 72 volt 3000 watt-hours battery. It comes with 2 charging ports. It comes with 13-inch wheels. This scooter is a monster right off the gate.
Impressive.
Just to show you what I'm talking about, let's do a quick comparison between the Daytona and the GT. Comes with a wider handlebar, motorcycle DOT brakes. The DOT brakes is what we use on all of our dirt bikes, such as the Altis Sigma and the E-Ride Pro. It has never been done before. Motorcycle grade DOT brakes on electric scooters. It gives you so much more braking power, and you cannot find any electric scooter that has a DOT brake at this time. I actually wanted to compare the Daytona and the GT, but after seeing all the features on the Daytona and looking at the GT, I have nothing to say. With the motorcycle grade DOT brakes, huge battery, monstrous speed, huge tires, Roadster controllers, all of these features that makes the Daytona. Reserve yours now at VoroMotors.com.